So we need to prepare this cable. This is the cable that comes with the Dakota Digital unit. We got to prepare it so it'll work inside the factory MK3 speedometer receptacle here. So the first thing I want to do is cut off this crimped metal sleeve here. I drew a line with a Sharpie just to kind of guide me. Go ahead and slide it off like so. Most of the time you can just pull this off. So this is the factory MK3 speedometer cable. You see this one came right off. Sometimes you have to tug a little harder. You don't want to remove any grease that might be inside this receptacle. You can also separate the two pieces like so. I'm just going to get the grease out of here. Then we're going to take the end of the Dakota Digital cable and simply insert it into the MK3 receptacle like so. What I like to do then is take some wire crimpers or something and just put a little bit of a indentation in here. Makes it kind of difficult to pull off. So that's how you prepare the cable. You can slide it back into the factory locating device.